morning. It is about 7:30 in the morning and today I'm quite excited for today because I'm off to do a wellness day about an hour away from here on a farm in Monmouth. So I'm just going to get ready this morning and then we're going to go and pick up Jazz and head off to Monmouth for our yoga retreat. Okay, so I'm dressed and ready to go. I'm just packing up the last of my bag. So I've got 2 yoga mats, one for me, one for Jazz. I've got a blanket for yoga nidra, if that's how you pronounce it. Fairly new to yoga. I've got water. And I think that's everything I need. I think we're good to go. All right, in the car. I've also packed, which I forgot earlier because I was in a rush, waterproofs and snacks. It's like priorities, right? So let's just pop you right here. Let's go and pick up Jazz. Okay, just got to Jazz's house. It's a bit early to beep though. Beep beep. Maybe I'll just text her. Jasmine.
Oh, those are big yoga mats.
Morning. Yeah, I know they're really thick.
Excellent.
None of this thin. I don't know, that's just what was in Tesco's.
Huh?
That's just what was in Tesco's. Good morning.
What fit? What the? What?
The yoga mats.
Oh, hello.
Say hi.
Oh, hi.
We're gonna make a little documentary,
okay.
docu-series.
Okay.
Oh, then, what have you got?
A banana, do you want it? Because I got Serena and a protein shake. I can offer you a banana, a Serena and a protein shake.
Come bearing gifts.
The protein shake won't be vegan though.
That's okay. I'm alright. I've got a little flapjack, yeah. Alright, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes. Surprisingly, I woke up quite good.
Well, that's good.
I don't have a blanket though.
That's alright. You'll be fine. So I'm not really sure of how the day works. It's a back to nature day at Kate Humble's farm, who's a TV presenter, and we've got to get there for 10 to 10.
So Beck wanted to leave 4 hours early.
Yeah. No harm in being early, right? You're going to need to stop to pee for like...
Yeah, I know. The world's smallest bladder.
And then we've got like a normal, I don't know what the different types of yoga are. We've got like a normal yoga session,
Okay.
and then we've got like yoga nidra, which is the one with the blankets, where you basically just sleep for a while. So I can totally get on board with that. And then lunch and a walk around the farm. And because it's April, it should...
Lambing season.
Yes. So hopefully there'll be some cute fluffy animals there as well. I think on the website when I booked this, they also did things like goat yoga.
Oh
No, I don't know. They didn't goat yoga. They did something with goats.
Quite like to pet a goat.
Yeah, I'd love to pet a
My
goat.
granddad's farm used to have goats and the babies were so cute.
Really? Okay, goal of the day,
Pet a goat.
pet a goat.
You can acquire a goat from somewhere.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be the farm.
Even if we just see one as we're driving down. Okay, we have arrived. I'm not sure where we go,
No, I don't.
but we've already seen lambs. So hopefully the weather clears up and we
There's another
can
car coming as well.
we can go and have a little look around. This is cute. How do we get there though? But it's wet. Okay, I'm gonna be that person that walks across the grass. It says course registration this way, so let's go this way. Grab my tea bag properly. The little hand pincers, look at them, so cool. Can you put mine in, please? Thanks.
Beware of any shops or equipment. I think just yoga mats really. So have fun, ask lots of questions. We'll be back in half an hour.
Okay, we're just about to start yoga, but that's the sound of a goat. We've been told that there's goats on site and we may be able to go and see them later. It's a hard life. I'm just going to jump in right here and say that I wasn't able to film the yoga, unfortunately, but this was the room that we were in. I'm going to insert some stock yoga footage right here, just so you get the right feels and the right vibe for the day. And we did a mixture of, it was all sort of slow flow yoga, like all for beginners type of stuff. We started out with a little bit of yoga. We did this grounding exercise where we had to walk outside barefoot, which wasn't as enjoyable as I think it should have been because it had been pouring down with rain that morning. So the ground was wet and we walked onto the grass and it was muddy and there were no towels or anything like that, so I couldn't clean my feet off. But I get the idea, and it was, yeah, on a dry day, I think it would be brilliant, but it was a little bit too wet. And then we did a little bit more yoga and some relaxation, some breath work. We also did a meditation. Hey, Nala. We also did a meditation with a piece of chocolate, which has got to be my favourite meditation to date. So we were each given a little bit of this, it was like a co-op brand of dark chocolate with like little dried raspberries in it. It was really good. And we had to, excuse me, and we had to be really mindful when we ate it. So first of all, we had to you're distracting, you know. Once we were given the chocolate, we had to use our senses to experience it. So we had to look at it and, you know, admire how or see how the light glanced off it. We had to smell it, touch it, and then finally taste it. And it was just about slowing down that process and really being in the moment. And I quite enjoyed that. I got to eat chocolate, so that's a bit of a win. And then we broke for lunch.
What the calling is. That's what it was in that farm.
Was it?
And then they get fed. She's going to realise very soon I have no food. Dang it.
After lunch we did a walk and a little bit more slow flow yoga. So I got some footage from lunch and the walk. I obviously didn't get any footage of yoga in the afternoon, but I'll put in some more stock yoga footage just so, again, you get the vibes.
I'd love you to find something that appeals to you, draws you to it, and that you can bring back with you. Okay?
Oh, the chicken.
Anything. So just something. So just being aware of at some point while we're out, if there's something that appeals to you for whatever reason, and if it is something you can bring back with you without the safety of breaking something, causing awkwardness. And also, so for a while we've been going on the road, just observing. We were talking about the senses. So just as you go, felt the sun coming out, felt it on our faces. So just being aware again of your senses. Yeah. So smelling, seeing, touching. Okay. And seeing. Yeah. Just really observing as we go. So, and we're going to have a moment of silence. But for this first bit, yeah, feel free to chat, and then we will go to a bit of
Bit of wild garlic. Oh, it actually tastes good. Oh my god. Oh, it gets bitter. That's really garlicky though. Does my breath smell like that?
Yeah.
So we're doing this wild back to nature walk. We've just seen a deer, which is Jazz's first
Cute. Yeah.
wild deer.
It's
It
quite
was
cute.
adorable.
Yeah.
And we're supposed to grab something that speaks to us and bring it back. So I've gone with this stick with a whole bunch of moss on it because I think the colours are really nice. And Jazz has gone for a little tiny baby.
I got a leaf because I don't want to touch anything on the ground, which is what everyone else is doing. Yeah. So
Really,
look,
really
it's
embracing the
cleanest
nature.
leaf I could find. No.
It's cute though.
Yeah.
So it's a strong choice, Jazz. A
Strong
choice.
choice. Nobody, it's my opinion. It's my choice. So no one can take it from me.
You do you, right?
I don't want to touch the ground. I don't want to eat things either.
We had to go outside barefoot earlier.
No, I didn't do it.
Jazz was not up Jazz's
I did
street.
one step and then
I almost forgot, we also did get to see the goats. We didn't get to pet them because we didn't want to disturb them, but we did see goats and baby goats as well, or kids. But they were so cute. They did not disappoint. I'm taking that as a win, and I'm going to say that we achieved our goal. So overall, it was a really good day, and we came away from it relaxed and rejuvenated. And I hope wherever you are in the world that you've had a great day too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.